Have you ever witnessed a violent crime?
No.
Good. What's your favorite fruit?
Strawberries.
Technically not a fruit, but all right. Where did you do your medical internship?
Lawrence Memorial in Galveston, Texas.
Really? That's where I was born. I spent so much of my childhood at that hospital. When I was 12, I got to ride there in a helicopter.
What happened?
Radiation burns. A little mishap while I was building my own CAT scanner.
I'm sorry. You tried to build your own CAT scanner.
No, I didn't try. I succeeded. In fact, I was briefly able to see the inside of my sister's guinea pig, Snowball, before he caught fire. It led to an interesting expression in our house. Not a snowball's chance in a CAT scanner.
Sheldon?
Excuse me. When I come back, just for fun, the subject will be alternative history. Specifically, how would the Civil War have gone differently if Lincoln had been a robot sent from the future? Look at that. There's even pasta left over.